Hello friends, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in mathematics, I'm going to be talking about how to find the second differential coefficient of a function. Well, the second derivative of a function. So what do I mean by that? Second derivative of a function is this. It's given us the square y over the x square. This is it. So in this case, looking at this question on my screen, that says for the function y is equal to x cubed minus 4, find the value of the y over the x divided by square root of 1 plus the square y over the x square. Now, what do I need to do? I'm going to find the first derivative of the function. Y is equal to 2x3 minus 4x. So what is the first derivative? That is differentiating y with respect to x. So when I differentiate this expression, I'm going to have 3 times 2 is going to give me 6, then x, then 3 minus 1 is going to give me 2, then minus, differentiating 4x is going to give me 4. That's the first thing to do. Now the second thing to do is to differentiate this expression again. Differentiating it for the second time will give me the second derivative, or second differential coefficient, which is the square y over the x square. And that is, I'm going to write the square y here divided by the x square. So that would be differentiating 6x squared is going to give me 12x, because 2 times 6 is 12, then x, 2 minus 1 is 1. So differentiating a constant, which is 4, is going to be 0. Now, so the second derivative of this function, 2x cubed minus 4x is equal to 12x. So, but that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for the value of the y over the x divided by square root of 1 plus the square y over the x square when x is 2. So in this case, I'm going to replace the y over the x with 6x squared minus 4 and replace the square y over the x squared with 12x. So doing so, I'm going to have 6x squared minus 4 divided by square root of 1 plus the square y over the x square is 12x, and this will give me, because this question says when x is 2, so it means in this expression I'm going to replace x with 2, and that will give me 6 times 2 raised to the power of 2 minus 4 divided by 1 plus 12 times 2. Okay, now the next thing to do is to simplify. So 2 squared is the same thing as 4. 4 times 6 is the same thing as 24 minus 4 divided by square root of 1 plus 12 times 2 is 24. So now 24 minus 4 is going to give me 20 divided by square root of 1 plus 24 is going to give me 25. So what do I need to do next? I'm going to find the square root of 25. And the square root of 25, we all know is 5. So square root of 25 is 5. I'm going to write 5 here, because you know that 5 times 5 is 25. So 20 divided by 5 is going to give me 4. So 4 is the answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more.